welcome to Tech Transform. In this video, we are going to discuss about what are these underscore name underscore variable, and there is string called underscore main underscore. What are these special variables? So these variables are very useful in Python. Let's see in action. So underscore name is a special variable in a Python, as name suggests, because it's starting with two underscores, ending with two underscores. So it's special inbuilt variable in Python. It states you if it's assign a special name to it, a special value underscore main underscore to underscore name name variable. If you are running your script directly, like if you written a Python file, whatever the code inside that, and if you're running that file directly from Python, and you executing that particular Python script directly, so this underscore name underscore variable is going to set as underscore main underscore. So and if you're importing that particular Python script in other Python script, and you try to execute that, in that case this name underscore name variable is not going to be set as underscore main. So there is a to distinguish the calls coming from directly script running, or it's coming for importing in other Python script and running. To distinguish that, let's see in this action, then you will be having better understanding of that. My Jupyter notebook is already running. I am creating a new Python script file. Let's call this space inbuilt name variable. Okay. Okay, so here we are trying to run that is python .py directly. So let's not use Jupyter. Let's run directly. Let's create two Python files. I'm creating two Python files. One is 1.py. I'm saving it here. 1.py. Okay, I'm creating one more file, giving a name as 2.py. Let's create this. I'm writing something inside py. Let's try and whenever you're writing any script, any statement inside Python, so the very first level of indentation the code will execute, then the second level of indentation. So let's say we define a function called func and print one dot py func executed. Okay, then I'm keeping one print statement. I'm saying top level in 1.py executed. Okay, and I am utilizing this new variable. So this new variable inbuilt special variable underscore name is like that. Python by default, if you run this script 1.py directly using like python space 1.py, if you're directly running this script, Python by default behind the scene, what it will do, it is going to use this underscore name variable, and it is going to assign this value to this variable. Means we want to catch some condition on that, then we have to check this underscore name value. If it is equal to, we are checking, then we have to apply loop. If name variable is equal to main, then we are printing, then this script executed directly, we can say 1.py executed directly. Okay, if it is executed in other means, like if it's this 1.py is imported in other script and it's running from there, then it is the loop will come to else statement, and here we want to print 1.py executed from other, or we can say 1.py imported in other script. Okay, so we have 1.py. Let's create inside 2.py. I want to import that. Import 1. Okay, I want to give one print statement, something like that. Top level in 2.py executed, just to distinguish how the flow are going. Then I want to execute def sorry 1.func. Okay, so I want to execute this. Let's correct this name and see func. Okay, then here again I am also try to understand whether the call is directly or it's imported. For that, underscore name underscore is equal to underscore main underscore print 2.py executed directly, we can say, else .py imported in other script. So here we are, here 1.py we imported in this 2.py, and in 1.py this only one, so we are not importing two here. So let's check what is happening. I saved both the file. What I will be doing, I will execute this 1.py directly, then this code should execute because we are running directly. So Python by default in the behind the scene it will assign this a special variable name and assign a value underscore main underscore. And in this case, if we'll try to execute this one importing, because we are importing this 1.py and we are trying to execute this function from here, so what will happen, this will be executed, this code will be executed, 1.py imported in another script. Let's see this in action. Work, learn Python. We have 1.py. Let's copy this and open our terminal, new window, and try to execute this like Python. Control Shift V. Okay, see what happens here. I will open the code side by side. 1.py. What is inside that 1.py? This is top level in 1.py executed. Top this executed because we haven't called this function here, so this is not executed from here. This executed top level in 1.py executed, then 1.py executed directly. It means this code executed means we called it directly. 1.py means this call was direct call to this script, so that's why this code executed. By defined, Python assigned this name to main, this main value to this underscore name underscore special variable. Let's say try to run this 2.py. See what happens. Top level in 1.py executed because we imported. top level in 1.py executed. Okay, this one, this executed. Then 1.py imported in other script. Why? Because we called it, we imported this 1.py here into .py. So this loop become, this else condition become true. So it's went into else condition. That's why you are seeing 1.py import in another script. Initially in our previous call it was 1.py directly executed. So that's why we are able to distinguish whether this call was directly or whether this script has been imported in another script and executed from there. And the rest others in the 2. File, what is the we have written top level in 2.py executed, 1.py func executed, 2.py executed directly. Here it's become true because we executed directly for 2.py. So why we in what cases this is useful? Let's say you have a because in function in other programming language we have something called main, but here we don't have main. Let's say we want to execute this only 1.py directly, and we have lot of functions like func1, pa. I'm not executing anything. Def func2 pass. Let's say I'm calling this 1.py directly, and here if I am calling this directly, I know that this is going to execute. This is always true. So here let's say I want to execute according to our need. I want to execute func2 first, then func, then func1. I want to execute these functions in this order. Let's quickly assign some, delete this, some print statement. Func1 executed, func2 executed, func executed. Okay, let's try to run this. In that scenarios, when you try to execute a long script and you're executing directly, but you want to follow in what order you want to execute all the functions. So here this is very useful. And if you are importing in other function, let's say this one, you already know what you are going to do, how your one dot you want to do one dot func first, then you want to do one dot func2 first. So order there, you know, because there you are going to utilizing whatever function inside that. Here if you're running this script, whole script is going to run. In order to that, you should know what flow you should follow. Okay, so we have set our functions to execute in this order. Let's run from terminal. So we are trying to execute this func2, func1. Let's, because we are going to run this file directly, so we know this is going to be true and this is going to be executed in this order. Let's see this in action. Okay, we have 1.py. I am executing. See, func2 executed, func executed, func1 executed. All are in order. So that's what the use of underscore name underscore a special inbuilt variable. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.